Hello! We start remembering that prehistory is divided in three periods. The first one was Paleolithic, remember? Then we have Neolithic and the Metal Age. We have studied Paleolithic and we are going to focus now in Neolithic and Metal Age. If you remember, the Paleolithic started 4 million years ago and ended 10,000 years ago, or 8,000 years before Christ, that is the same. At this point, something happened. That was the appearance of agriculture and livestock. This point of history, the 8,000 years before Christ, is the beginning of Neolithic, because Neolithic is the period of time in which agriculture and livestock were invented. That means that people start to produce their own food. Another change happened around 5,000 years before Christ. That was the invention of the metallurgy, or the metalwork. That means that people knew at this point how to use the metal to make tools. This was another important change that changed the name of the period of prehistory. So, at some point of the Metal Age, the writing appeared. Remember, we talk around between 4 and 3,000 years before Christ when the writing appears like innovation, and at this point we stop talking about prehistory and we start talking about history. Because remember, prehistory is the period of history without writing. This is another timeline, and you can see that all the Paleolithic period is long, is the longest one, and now we are going to study this one, the Neolithic, and this little one, the Metal Age. They were the last part of the prehistory time.